Many faulty laptops only have damaged screens, while core components including the motherboard, CPU, and memory remain functional. This guide explains how to reuse an intact motherboard with an external monitor to revive an old computer at low cost. A second-hand faulty laptop with cracked screen and keyboard was selected. An HDMI external monitor test confirmed the motherboard could boot normally. Before removing the casing, discharge residual electricity from the motherboard and wear anti-static gloves to avoid electrostatic damage. After disassembly, the chassis was slightly bent, yet only the heat pipe was deformed and the motherboard itself stayed intact. The power-on subboard, integrating the microphone, power switch, indicator lights, and FPC cables, was detached. An SSD was installed and power reconnected for a second functional test. Lightweight and easy-to-cut PVC 4X board was used for the rear panel. The motherboard was placed on the board to mark screw holes, which were then cut out with a miniature grinder. A carbon fiber textured film was applied for decoration, scratch resistance, and durability. Spacers were fitted on each hole to elevate and secure the motherboard. This prevents short circuits by separating the board from the casing and reserve space for heat dissipation. The original laptop battery failed to work, so a direct power supply interface was adopted instead. The built-in speakers delivered poor sound quality and were replaced with a portable LG Bluetooth speaker equipped with USB charging and a 3.5mm audio input. Extension cables connected the motherboard's audio output subboard to the speaker for sound transmission and amplification. The SSD was mounted on the left side of the motherboard and secured by a 4X board frame. The side panel was cut with openings for various ports and air inlets for cooling fans. The power port was fixed on the top. Since the original power button was inconvenient to reach, wires were extended and soldered to a red self-resetting power switch. Laptops activate upon momentary short circuit that sends startup signals to the motherboard. After fitting the final cover plate, the main unit was finished. It was glued to the back of an Asus IPS monitor and linked via an HDMI cable. The system booted successfully with up to 1080p output. It supports video playback and light gaming, achieving frame rates over 200 FPS. After half an hour under full load, the CPU temperature stabilized at 82 degrees Celsius, within a safe range. This modified machine handles daily office work and media playback perfectly.